good. I'm making some chips for myself. How's your day? You get some horrible guys on here. Yeah, good. Thanks. Good. No, and there's another guy called his friend called Donny Jay it is, and if you don't give him, he blocks you. How do you know Christy? Good. Is he not in what ear? Is he on another site? Oh, I'm hungry. Do you know his pal called Donny Jay it is? Yeah, that Christy's very nasty. And so is his friend Jay. I think he's shagging that Jay guy. I would love that. I would get you too. And what was he saying? Don't have a boyfriend. I shouldn't eat at all because I'm a diabetic. But can I have an odd bit of chocolate? A few weeks ago, I tried to come to wee bit of eggs, but I mean, massive, and had them put down to a stubble. Oh, hairs. Put a wee hair and sore. Oh. Yeah, I can't be eggs now and again. I must cuddle. I would love a cuddle. I'm going to bed. Yeah.